Where two or three are gathered, Lord, you said you'd be there. So Lord, we're here, and we honor your presence. Yeah. Where two or three are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Forgive me, I am under the weather. Well, I am healed now because this previous week I was so sick and I couldn't even do anything. I couldn't leave the house. It was terrible, but I'm grateful to God for healing me. But so today I have this tutorial for you guys. It's a turban tutorial. I know you guys, I used to do a lot of turbans here before, and I'm back again with the turban. So yeah, so this is a turban tutorial that I have done, and a makeup tutorial more so on the turban. The makeup honestly is a flop. The makeup is a flop because it wasn't what I wanted to do, and you will see the course of the video that I struggled with this one. But the focus is on the turban. So if you want to see how I achieve this look and the turban, keep on watching. So starting with my face, I'm going to prime my face with my Becca primer and my Smashbox Photo Finish primer in light. I put the Becca in my T-zone and then the Smashbox around my face. Using my Estee Lauder foundation, I really love this foundation. For some reason, my face was really dry on this particular day because I don't know, the weather was really cold, and whenever it's cold, my face is very dry. So yeah, but I like this foundation but for winter. I haven't really used it in the summer so much, so I can't really say, but I really love it. It's not oily, it's not too mattifying, it's just perfect. So yeah, but I'm just speeding through the face process. So I'm using my LA Girl in Chestnut. It's the concealer has finished, so I literally cut it open and scooped it out with this small flat brush that I use for my foundation as well. So I'm just concealing my face, and since I'm not really doing any major anything, this is usually how I do my face when I'm trying to highlight my face. So I went ahead to blend it out. I'm speeding through this process. I have a detailed foundation, highlight and contour video, which I will leave the link at the end of the video so you can check it out. Very detailed. Going to contour my face as usual. I'm using my my eyeshadow from the Morphe. This is the Morphe 35O palette. So I just take whatever dark eyeshadows are there and I contour my face. This is what I use to contour my face, since I am yet to find the perfect contour, you know. So I'm cleaning underneath that. I use my Sasha Buttercup to set my face, and that's just what I'm using to clean underneath that contour, and I don't let it sit for long. I just brush that away immediately, and then I'm brushing off any excesses out of my face. And yeah, I'm now going ahead to use my MAC Cosmetics NW58 powder to just kind of blend everything together. And I'm going back with some contour again just to make sure, you know, it comes out well. Just going back and forth and blending again. So using that dark eyeshadow, okay, so this is where I had an issue with this makeup look, because I really did not want to do anything on my eyes, because the previous day I did an eye look that I wanted to kind of imitate, but I was like, okay, let me just use a little bit of eyeshadow. So the only thing I had used was eyeliner in that look, but then I was like, okay, let me just use a little bit of eyeshadow, and I wanted to highlight the inner corners of my eye. So this was a mistake. I dampened my synthetic brush. I sprayed my Mario Badescu spray on it, and it wasn't coming out. I really didn't want to do a cut crease or anything like that. Like, I didn't want it to be this, you know. I wanted it to be pigmented, which was why I sprayed it, but then I didn't like. I guess if I had used water, it would have been easier to work with, because this one was more, you know. So I put that there. It wasn't working, so I cleaned it off, and I just applied that same eyeshadow all over there, all over my eyes. And that was pretty much what I did, just kind of to clean that up. So it's not really noticeable, so it's kind of like I didn't use eyeshadow. So I went back into that same eyeshadow I used. Oh, this is from my Morphe palette, Morphe 35O palette, the same one I used to contour, and without adding any liquid or anything, I use that same one but with like a fluffier brush, and I just put it in the inner corners. And now I'm taking my Maybelline gel liner as usual to highlight my inner corners. So the previous look I did, which I did not like record or anything, all I just did was put the liner and did like the whole extended inner wing, and I did not like line the top part of my eyes. I just did the lower lash, my lower waterline, and brought the liner inside like I'm doing right now. So that's just what I did here. And then I am highlighting my brow bone with my Becca highlighter in Topaz. You guys know I love this stuff, and that's what I'm doing for my face. So it's just like a simple look. Honestly, this is like my go-to look. So I just line my waterline, not necessarily with the inner corner extension, but I think I'll be doing that more often now. And I'm contouring my nose with my NW58 powder. I forgot to do that earlier. So yeah, it's such a simple look. You can use whatever eyeshadow you want to use. This is just, it's my go-to look when I'm like in a hurry. I just use like either a bright eyeshadow, and then I use like a bright inner corner highlight, and then I line my eyes like that. So just something simple. So going over that with my Bare Minerals Invisible Glow. You guys know I love this stuff. So it's not really honestly, the highlighter doesn't really show. It just gives a smoothing, it smooths whatever other highlighter I have underneath that. So I'm just blending my face with my powder brush, going into my Sephora, my Juvia's Space Saharan blush palette too. I am just blushing my face, and I'm gonna spray my Mario Brodowski spray because my face was very dry. I soaked my face in this so that it could, because one thing with setting spray really helps to revive the makeup. That's what I've noticed. And then I'm spraying my Urban Decay in oil control just to help it stay matte. And then I am just applying my my Maybelline mascara, and I really wanted to show you guys how I usually do my lower eyelash, my eyelash line. People ask me if I apply falsies. No, I don't. I just do a double coat, and this is usually how I apply the mascara. I use a tip, and I just kind of make the hairs there very precise. And I applied these lashes from AliExpress. I brought it very close to my natural lash line, especially because I did not use a liner. So this helps, to give you like that crisp, like eyelash look, and I'm just adjusting it with my I almost poked my hairs there, but yeah, so you just want to bring it very close like so. So to the scarf, this is a turban. It's like a pre-made turban, so to say. Like it's not a scarf, so it's already in like a turban type of way, and then it has these two elongated sides. One has the beads, and another side is plain. So they come in different types. Sometimes they come in a way that it doesn't have like the elongated two ends. It comes in like a one long scarf. You just have to wrap it around. I would show you guys that one if I ever get to use it. But yeah, so you just put your hairs inside. You might want to use like a wig cap or something prior to this, but honestly I was in a hurry, so I just put that on and then covered my ears. And you just want to tuck the back inside like so, and sometimes the hair could be however you want your hair underneath. That's kind of how it's gonna play. Sometimes if you want it to be more puffy, and maybe you have like braids or something underneath, or like a weave or something. But yeah, and then you bring it up to like a high bun. So anyways, I'm just laying that, going with the one without the beads. I'm just laying it flat, and you just kind of go with it the desired way you want. So I'm flattening it as I go. I've never tied a gele before. Those of you that know what a gele is, I've never tied it, but I tie turbans very often, so I'm guessing it's pretty much like I tie scarves and turbans very, very often. So you just want to flatten it and tuck that end in there, but you want to make sure as you're going, you're flattening it. So I'm using the other direction now to put the lacy part with the beads, and they come in different types. Some of them don't have like the beads, but they have the lace, just different things. So you just go back and forth arranging like I'm doing, however you want. The ends of the beaded part had a lot of beads, so I was trying to cover that up because it didn't lay in a way that it could fall in the middle. So I tried to cover it up so that it wouldn't be weird. So, and then you just want to tuck that part in as well. And yeah, you just push the scarf back however you want it to be, however you want the scarf to be, really. But yeah, they all turn out differently every time I tie, to be honest. They don't turn out the exact same way. So anyways, back to my lips. I am lining my lips with my Wet n Wild brow pencil as per usual, and I'm just applying gloss. I really wanted to keep this look very simple, so yeah, this is really my go-to look, to be honest, and this is like a perfect nude. So guys, this is the finished look. I just went and put some jewelry that I got from Aldo, I believe. I will leave the link in the description box. I got it on sale on Aldo online, and I've been loving them lately. Like, they just give me this, like, I don't know, I just love them. So this is the finished look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, and yeah, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Where to a tree I gathered, Lord, you said you'd be there. So Lord, we